Hi everyone, my name is Yash Julka and this is session 5 of TANA Summer Camp by Sapthora. In this session, we will revise three topics, the ones which we've learned most prominently, the two scales, the C major, the A minor, the two chords, the strumming pattern, um, down, down, up, and the two chords, E minor and G major, how to shift between them, and also the two songs, Happy Birthday and Puramtana. So let's start from the top. The first topic of revision is scales. So, firstly, how do we play the C major scale? Very simple. We'll take our third finger on the third fret of the fifth string and play that note. We'll play the fourth string open. We'll play the second fret of the fourth string. We'll play the third fret of the fourth string. We'll play the third string open. We'll play the second fret of the third string. We'll play the second string open. We'll play the second string's first fret. Going back, we play the second string's first fret. We'll play the second string open. We'll play the third string's second fret. We'll play the third string open. We'll play the third fret of the second string, or the fourth string, I'm sorry. We'll play the second fret of the fourth string. We'll play the fourth string open. And we'll play the third fret of the fifth string. So, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And you can end the scale with a chord. The next scale which we had learned was an A minor scale. It's a very easy scale, much easier compared to the C major. Then it's a very close relative of the C major scale. It's called the relative minor of the C major and has the same notes as the C major scale. So let's start and revising that scale. So firstly, we'll play the fifth string open. You play the second fret of the fifth string. We play the third fret of the fifth string. We play the fourth string open. We play the second fret of the fourth string. We play the third fret of the fourth string. We play the third string open. We play the third string second fret. Now let's go back. We play the second fret of the third string. We play the third string open. We play the third fret of the fourth string. We play the second fret of the fourth string. We play the fourth string open. We play the third fret of the fifth string. We play the second fret of the fifth string, and we'll play the fifth string open. So now we have revised two scales, C major, and A minor. Okay, the next part of the revision is how to strum E minor and G major chords with a pattern of down, down, up, down, up. Alright guys, so this is very simple. We have to place our index finger for the chord E minor. We have to place our index finger on the second fret of the fifth string, and right beneath it on the second fret of the fourth string, we have to place our middle finger. So we get this shape. And we strum the entire six strings together in a pattern like this. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So practice doing that with the E minor, and then we shift our middle finger to the third fret of the sixth string and place our ring finger on the third fret of the first string. And we leave our index finger on the second fret of the fifth string. So we get the G major chord. Up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, E minor, E minor, E minor, E major, E major, E major, E major, E minor, E minor, E minor, so practice that. Coming to the songs, kids. So very simple. I'm sure you all by now have learned this song, Happy Birthday. This is how it is played in the simplistic way. 0, 0, 2, 0, 5, 4. All notes on the first string. 0, 0, 2, 0, 7, 5. 0, 0, 12, 9, 5, 4, 2. 10, 9, 5, 7, 5. One more time, slow. 0, 0, 2, 0, 5, 4. 0, 0, 2, 0, 7, 5. 00129542 and 109575. Okay, and the last song for this session is Hakuna Matata. Very simple to play. We will play the fifth fret of the first string, and we will play the third fret of the first string and the first fret of the first string like this. Hakuna Matata. So we have 5 5 3 5 3 1. Hakuna Matata. 5 5 3 5 3 1. Then we'll play the third fret of the second string once, and now we'll play string one, first fret, third fret, and fifth fret. Such a wonderful phrase. So we go 5 5 3 5 3 1 on the second string, 3 on the first string, 1 3 5 3 5 5 3 5 3 1. Next line, 3 1 5 3 1 3 5 5 3 1 1 5 5 3 3 5 5 3 5 3 1. So guys, if you sing the song out, it will be much easier to play. So the song, if we sing it, is going to sound like Hakuna Matata. Such a wonderful phrase. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Thank you, kids. That was it for fifth session of Tana, and I hope to see you in the next.